guys, good morning. It has been a minute that I've actually filmed or created content for my YouTube channel, and been really busy. A lot has been going on, which you guys will get to know in the next couple of months' time. But in the meantime, I thought, you know what, it's been a while, let me just get my camera out and film. Just one of those days I was just in the mood to just, film. So I thought I'll film. I want to start doing more vlogs, like more day in the life vlogs. So I'm trying to expand my content on my channel, so that it's not just, sorry guys, Jeremiah's toy car is literally just hovering around, excuse the noise. Yeah, so I want to incorporate more vlogs, lifestyle, weekend getaways and all that stuff, what I get up to during the week and the weekends. So it's not just going to be about fashion or makeup tutorials and all that, which I'll still be doing, but I'm going to incorporate some more vlogging in as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this new fresh content, something new from me. And yeah, so today is Jeremiah's birthday. Jeremiah turns 4. He's waving in the background. He hasn't got nursery today, he's off today. So I just wanted to make today special. I mean, it's a weekday, children are at school, so we haven't got anything planned for today, but I want to still make it special for him, and he's got enough siblings at home anyway to still make it special and have a little party for him. So I'm planning on doing like I'm planning on doing just a little party for him after school when his siblings come back from school. I won't say it because I don't want to surprise him. I'll keep him in the bedroom whilst I set it up. So I'm just off to get a few bits and bobs for today, for later on today. I don't even know where time goes. Like, seriously, how is my son 4 already? Like, I feel like I gave birth to him yesterday. Like, I still remember the labor, everything that I went through with him. Jeremiah's one was, I would say it was the hardest, because although I had 2 C-sections with the last 2, the first one was natural, which was the best. People that say, labor gets better, it's easier and quicker the more kids you have, that's a complete lie. Like, mine was completely opposite. My first labor till today, I still remember it. That was 11 years ago. I still remember that birth was the best. I was in labor for like a whole week with Jason, but then once I got to the hospital, I had him really quick. So it's like all the pain and everything that I was going through at home, so I stayed at home as long as possible, because I just wanted to avoid being in hospital for so many days, or go to hospital and then being told to come back home. So I soldiered it out, and I stayed at home in pain for a whole week. And then I gave birth to, as soon as I got to the hospital, I gave birth to Jason. Within 45 minutes, Jason was out, pushed. All I had was a bit of gas in there, and it was just, to be honest, it was so, the labor was so amazing that I actually can't even remember. No, I couldn't feel the contractions. I hadn't had any epidural or anything. I couldn't feel when I was contracting. So the midwives, the nurse had to tell me for my stomach, okay, you're getting a contraction now, push, and then I'll push. I hadn't had any epidural, this is just gas and air. So it was a lovely labor. Like, that's the best labor that I've ever experienced. With Janae, 41 weeks. She didn't want to come out. She was the only overdue baby that I had. I just went for a checkup in the morning, as you do, you know, with your midwife and the GP, and then they checked my urine and they found protein in my urine, and they said, you've got preeclampsia, you need to get down to the hospital right now, your BP is high as well. And the thing is, I felt fine. If I had not gone for my appointment that day, I don't know what would have happened, seriously. That's why, like, pregnant women, it's always good to have your get a blood pressure monitor at home to just keep track of things. I'm feeling a bit hot, but if I open the window, you won't hear me properly. Yeah, it's good to get a blood pressure monitor at home just to stay on top of things for your own health. So yeah, I was lucky enough that I had an appointment that morning. I found out that I had preeclampsia and high BP that day. So I literally had to go home. My bags were packed already, obviously, because I was 41 weeks. Like, I had my bags packed already. My mum took me to the hospital, went straight down. They gave me some tablets to take for the BP to bring it down. I started to get a headache actually as I went to hospital. That's when the symptoms started kicking in. I don't know if it's because of I was, you know, getting anxious, the fear of hospitals, I don't know, but all of the symptoms, I started to feel it as I was in the hospital. I started getting headaches and everything. So I was given medication to bring down the BP, which helped. My BP went down, and with each contraction I was having, Janae's heart rate was dropping. So they were just like, okay, we're gonna have to do a C-section because the baby's, you know, she's not doing really well inside. She, you know, her heart rate is really, really low. So they rushed me to theatre, gave me the epidural, had the baby, bam, that was done. Now with Jeremiah, I was, I actually felt I was two to 3 days before my due date, and we went away. I don't even know why I would do that. I don't know. I just didn't feel like labour was coming anytime soon. To be honest, I just thought, you know, just take the risk. I had my bags packed, my hospital bag and everything with me just in case. But we went to visit a friend in London that day, a few days before my due date. And what happened? So I was coming down the stairs because at that time we were in a flat. So I was coming down the stairs and I slipped. Luckily, I fell from the top of the staircase down to the bottom, but I was on my bottom, so I didn't fall flat on my stomach, which thank God for that. So I think that fall sort of initiated the labour, because so I fell, went to London. I was fine for a day, no pain, nothing. I was fine, and then as soon as we got back home, as soon as my husband parked the car, my waters just broke. Oh, and the thing is, with Jason and Janae, I didn't experience my waters breaking naturally. They had to break it for me. For Jason's one, yeah, I think they had to break it at the hospital. I can't remember that one, but I didn't experience it breaking myself. I know that. Janae, they had to break it for me. It was so painful. With Jeremiah, it naturally, I was like, oh my god, this is not like. My waters are breaking. The baby is coming. I'm having this baby. So I was excited. First time experiencing your waters breaking naturally. I'm like, yes, this is going to be a natural birth. Everything is going on naturally, smoothly. You know. So then we called the antenatal ward. They told us to come down. I was there for a long time. Nothing was happening. Nothing was progressing. The waters had broken, but still, the baby wasn't ready to come out. And so they admitted me. They kept me in for a few days, and same thing with Janae. Jeremiah's heart rate started to drop by day 2 being in the hospital. They were like, his heart rate is just dropping. You're not dilating. You know, it's going to have to be another C-section. And I was just like, oh no, not again, not a flipping again. So, you know, they know what's best. Went ahead again with it. Had the C-section, and yeah, Jeremiah was out. So 2 days I was in hospital in pain with Jeremiah. So I think Jeremiah's one was the hardest one for me, because the pain, I really, really remember that pain. It was excruciating. With Janae, I didn't really get to experience it, because as soon as I got to hospital, not long, you know, they operated on me. With Jason, within 45 minutes he was out. But with Jeremiah, I could say I really, really, really felt the pains of labour. I still remember it. They say you forget the pain, but I still remember the pain. But yeah, I don't even know where this got to, how I ended up telling my birth stories with all 3 children. But yeah, that's it really. I would do it again. I don't think I'll have any more than 4. If I wanted to have another one, it wouldn't be more than 4. But yeah, so that's it really. That's my birth story. I don't know how this ended up as a birth story, but yeah, so we're just arriving at the shops now. So once I get back home, I will share with you what I picked up. This is the thing about kids that's just so annoying. So we've come into Costa for breakfast, me and Jeremiah, and Jeremiah is a fussy eater. Please let me know if you have any fussy eaters. If you've got children that are fussy eaters, please help me out here. We've come into Costa for breakfast, and this boy, I've just spent £3 on a gingerbread biscuit, and he's just bit into it and he's like, ugh, that's horrible. Mummy, why did you come here? Why did we come here? I've just spent £3 and this boy is just literally just biting off the icing from the biscuit, and he's just leaving the whole biscuit. Like, that's just £3 down the drain, just wasted. Like, anyway, I got my cheese and ham toasty, which I love, and I'm just about to dig in, so I'll see you guys in a bit. This is divine. I get this all the time. I come to Costa, it's my fave. And then I've got some innocent bubbles, apple and berry drink. Jeremiah's wasted gingerbread biscuit and some water. This is my heaven. I literally feel like I'm in heaven every time I come to B&M. Oh my gosh. Like, this is my go-to for my cleaning stuff. B&M and The Range, they're both my go-to. So when it comes to my cleaning stuff, what am I looking for? Where is it? I'm just here to get hand soap only. I'm not buying no more cleaning stuff. I'm just getting hand soap and I am out. So I've been obsessing over the Fizz and Fresh bowls. These are so good. I have loads of these at home. I stack up on these. Guys, I highly recommend. They're really good for getting the toilet cleaned and smelling it fresh. All you got to do is literally just drop a tablet into the toilet, and then it just fizzes up and it cleans the toilet for you. No cleaning, nothing. Simple as. Another one of my faves is this Blore Power Active Gel, the pink one. It is really, 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 really good. It makes the toilet smell so nice. That's my favourite as well. Jeremiah insisted on seeing the ducks and the swans. There was loads of beautiful swans. There's a swan down there. Look, the duck is coming. Or is it a geese even? Look, it's coming. Look. Jeremiah's getting... I'm getting scared as well now. He's running away. I'm scared as well. Why is he coming to us though? Like, they're not even scared. He's coming again. Don't go to the road, Jerry. Come. Look at his face. Jerry, you said you wanted to see the geese. Why are you running away? Are you scared? They're so brave. They're actually like, they're walking towards you. They actually walk towards you, and it's really scary. Should we go and see the swan down here? Yeah, should we go and see the swan? Yeah. He was scared. He was like, Mum, please stop, park the car. There's swans and geese. I want to see them. So I thought, okay. And now he's running away from them. But they're so massive and they just run towards you. It's scary. Someone I'm not really into. Do you need to fix it? Talking bullshit. It's hard to see you when your eyes look dull. Let's get away from here. Jeremiah's scared. Jeremiah said, Mum, let's get away from here. Mom, they can't climb over. Look, there's a wall there. Look. It's not going to climb over.
What?
They're coming to us because they think that we're going to give them food. I think that's why. Jeremiah?
Yes?
What are we doing now? Can we go now?
No. Not yet.
How long are we going to stay here for? I'm tired.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 what?
5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yeah.
You're scared of them. What's the point of us being here? When they run out, when they come out to come and see you, you're running away from them.
Fine, let's go.
So, currently evening now.
Yeah, Jeremiah's birthday.
Managed to get some food. I got some pizzas because I asked Jeremiah, what would you like for your birthday? What would you like for dinner? And he said, Mummy, I want pizza and chips. So literally got the pizzas and chips on.
Yeah.
Having a bit of snacks, having some drinks. Got a bit of Spider-Man cake. And yeah, we're just gonna have some dance.
Have you guys realised my new haircut?
And Jeremiah, the birthday boy.
It's a birthday boy. You ready to dance?
You're 4 now, Jerry.
Hey guys, so right now I'm extremely tired. The kids are playing PS4 and I'm knackered. We're just gonna cut the birthday cake and have a bath and call it a night. I'm gonna watch some Netflix and just chill. So thank you for watching today's vlog, my first ever vlog on this channel. Hope you guys enjoyed. Follow me around today. I know it wasn't all that, you know, interesting, but I just thought I'd just pick up the camera and, you know, just vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed the bits that I put together. Anyway, I'm planning on like vlogging like maybe Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, but knowing how I am, I don't want to actually say I'm going to do Monday, Wednesday and Friday and I don't get around to doing it. So I'm going to try and do at least 2 to 3 times a week. Once I've confirmed that, I'll let you know, but that's the plan. So thank you guys for watching. Have a lovely week. Catch you in my next video. Good night.